Hey everybody, J&A RV Reviews. Now today we're at Southaven RV and Marine right here in Southaven, Mississippi. Now today we're going to show you this one. It's a 2026 Grand Design Foundation, model number 42GD. Now this is your destination type trailer, and with an awesome deck on the back of it. This is fantastic. Now the length on this foundation is 48 feet 6 inches. The dry weight is 15,308 with a hitch weight of 2,794 with a GVWR of 18,000 pounds. Now I don't think you're going to tow this one to every campsite.
No. Now I know we're probably going to have somebody make a little smart remark. Well, my truck can tow that. Yes, but that's not what this is designed for. This is designed to be a park it and leave it.
Now, let me just go ahead and tell you, if you can get a shot of them, the awnings are actually 14 and 20 foot. Wow, yes. That's a lot of coverage.
It is a lot of coverage, and this is definitely one of those that, you know, most of the time you're going to park it somewhere, put a deck out on the front of it, and use it as your vacation getaway.
Or my permanent home if you ever kick me out.
Yeah. Now we are inside their showroom, so we're right next to their AC unit. It's a little loud over here, but we're going to show you that there are two rack and pinion slides on this side. We're going to try to talk over this as much as we can.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so your filtration system, everything is going to be right out here where you can get to it.
Tankless water heater down.
It does. And of course up here there's your exhaust for your shower.
This is absolutely beautiful.
Yeah, it is really nice. There is a dump area right under there. Now if you can tell, this is a triple axle, so it's a really good size.
Just show that side down there. Goodness gracious, this thing is beautiful.
And this particular unit already has the slide toppers installed. Now we cannot wait to show you the inside.
And thank goodness we are inside because it is raining right now.
It is raining. And in case you guys need to know, that is Interstate 55 right out there. So when we say this is right off of 55, it literally is. Alright, well let's go right on inside and take a look at this one. I think there's a lot of stuff you guys are gonna like.
Now we got to see this model down at the Tampa RV show, but there were so many people. It
was absolutely covered up. We could not get in it, so that's why we were so happy to see it here. We'll just go ahead. Hey, let's just start on the patio back here.
Okay.
So right off the back is going to be this is a permanent patio. This is not like a toy hauler where it's the ramp and it folds up. So you do have this step down right there. You do have a gate here with some steps. Now we're going to insert some footage right here. So you just go right up these spiral staircase, and there is an upper deck. So we'll show you what that upper deck looks like. Sliding glass door back here. And when you come in, that's going to put you directly in your living room area. So you do have this really nice L-shaped sofa.
Now before you get too much further, you do have a little jacket. You can store your jackets right here as soon as you come back in.
Yes.
That's really cool. Sorry.
Super nice. And you see that it's very high in here. So I mean, this is, what is this, a good 9 feet at least or more?
More.
Yeah. So I mean, it's almost like a cottage feeling in here. Yeah. Anyway,
I don't know.
Anyway, you're not going to have any problem with head height in here. So here in your living, you're going to have this really nice L-shaped sofa. This does pull out. It's like a trundle bed down here. So
yes.
Yeah. So for kids, perfect place for them. But when you spin around, and you have a seat.
What's your guesstimation?
I'm guessing it's a 50.
Yep.
Yeah. You're going to have a ceiling fan in here. Of course, there's one of your AC units. Windows. There are just windows everywhere in this. So you do have this really nice little mantle and electric fireplace. But hold on. In case you needed some extra storage, you have all of this storage right back here, and it is prepped for a little vacuum system.
Cool.
If you have a stick vac you want to add to it. Now we showed you the hooks on that side. There's also hooks on this side next to the door. But then you have this really big island here. So you're going to get a couple of bar stools here, solid surface, nice big sink, really good storage underneath, a dishwasher.
Dishwasher.
Everybody needs a dishwasher. If you don't like it, you can store your dishes in there. Sprayer faucet with a pull down handle, soap dispenser. I mean, this is a lot of prep area. I'm not really sure what this little decorative thing right here is, but it's kind of cute.
Okay.
You're going to have some lighting underneath your island here. Now, you've got this pull-out pantry. Let me get around here where you can see the whole thing. And a nice drawer at the bottom of it. Y'all, the lighting package in here is just on fire. It is just great. Super storage. You're going to have the really big 4-burner cooktop. This is like residential size.
Yes.
With the oven. Storage all the way around your microwave.
And I like this. They go ahead and put shelf liners in there.
Oh yeah. Hey, if you've bounced plates and things around like we have, that stuff is a lifesaver. You are going to have a big microwave in this one.
Booyah.
Yeah.
And more drawers.
Yes, and that one is a charging drawer. So you've got your plugs with the USB right there. So great spot to put your phones. You can charge them and they're out of the way. They're not up on the counter taking up space. You are going to have your French door fridge with the freezer at the bottom.
You got power right here by the dishwasher. And look at that. Its own little spot.
Yeah. I mean, why have wasted space under those stairs when you can use it for something?
Now you have three ACs on this one.
There's your second AC, and the third one's going to be up here in this loft area. And we're going to insert some footage here and show you some more about this loft area, but it's got these really nice sturdy stairs, and it's a great area. It's about a queen size over there, and then you've got the extra smaller cushions that can be used. I love that they give you this sunken area where you can stick your feet down in there and still sit up and use the table. Yeah, so if you need to work from home or work while you're out, it is prepped for Starlink.
All your controls.
All right there, super easy to get to. You're gonna you do have to step down to get into the bathroom, but now for this to have a loft over it, you have good head height in here. So he's 6 feet tall, and you can see that he actually does have good height. And there is a vent right behind his head. That's what we showed you on the outside. Oh yeah, good size.
I think I'd say that. Yeah. Let me go above this.
And then your sprayer, you're going to have all these extra body sprays in there. That makes me so jealous. I want one of those. Great place for your towels right back here. You are going to have a foot flush toilet and pretty good size storage underneath this sink. There is actually solid surface in here. Big mirrored medicine cabinet. Now, if you guys have concerns with smells from your black tank, or you just need some great cleaning supplies, definitely check out Liquefied. We will have a link down in our description below, and we'll also have a 15% off coupon code.
Yes.
So take advantage of that. Now let's move on down into the hall. Your fuses are going to be down here at the bottom. And guys, look at this window. I know when we kind of tried to show it from the outside, you really couldn't tell much about it, but when you're in here and you're looking out, this is amazing.
Oh my gosh, this is so cool.
It is a tempered automotive glass, so it's going to be resistant to chips, and this is a 50 by 80 window. That is huge. They give you the really nice electric fireplace in here. You are going to have a king size bed. It's going to have power and USB, let's see, and yes, USB and C charging on both sides.
And you've got a plug-in down here by your fireplace.
Yes.
Oh, cool.
So you got lots and lots of plug-ins.
Let's check under the bed. Yes.
Very nice storage underneath the bed. And you actually have really good space on both sides to be able to walk around. Now down here at the foot of the bed is your dresser. So they're going to give you 6 drawers down here, and also some hidden storage.
Yeah.
Now this one's going to come with the 32-inch already in it. And then you've got a little bench over here where you can sit and put your shoes on. And of course, yeah, lifts
storage.
Up storage so you could.
And you have power and USB and C over here also.
Ah, and some more of those really neat hooks up there. Very nice. But we're not finished yet.
Oh my goodness.
Yes. So since this is a destination unit, you've got to be able to do your laundry. And so there it is. But you don't have to sacrifice your storage because you get a great wardrobe here with hanging and then 2 more drawers in it.
This
This
is well done.
really, really nice. And again, this is under your loft. So even being under a loft, you have really great head height in here.
And you know what? It's not bad to get in here to all your stuff.
No. You can just toss it all over here on the bed and fold it up.
Okie dokie.
All right, well, we would love to hear what you guys think about this destination trailer. What do you like? What do you think is a little weird?
All right, everybody. If you like this foundation by Grand Design, dealership's information be down in our description. Also, 15% off on liquefied. We enjoyed it. I hope you enjoy this one. Check this dude out. Come up here to Southaven and tell them J&A RV Reviews sent you. All right. Thanks, everybody.